begin it like this, the definition of a rap flow. I'ma get up in it and twist, turning it all around. I'm out to be pounding my surroundings with a bounding sound that's pouring out of my mouth. It's already happening. Grabbing a microphone, slimming a group of whack cats. Rather kick back, max, and blast that fat bass. The Bismarck, booger picking and flicking on media midgets who claim they're the men of the minute. Give it a second, I step back, competition infinite. I'm just a white boy like Popeye, slamming a can of spinach. Raddus, if you thinking that you don't need it, then beat it. I'm eating up enemies who need EMTs on a media seated. Is what you mean when I'm speaking, I'm greeting your mind. With a lot of rhymes, but my bye, it's my time and I need this. Jarb that raggedy bastard, breast stink like I just ate your girlfriend's ass, bitch. Fantastic, rap bad drastic. Fuck with me and verbally get your ass kicked. So groovy now. Yo, the kid Jarb slow will fuck your head up. Feeling so groovy now. Definition of an asshole, I'ma reinvent it like this. So groovy now. Yo, the kid Jarb slow will fuck your head up. Feeling so groovy now. Definition of, yo, wait. Jar's flow's ugly in your mom's face. Momentum was heavy like RA's gold plate rotate. I hate myself, I'm so lame. Like I'm that sarcastic cat that'll be slapping your face. Fuck the whack, I'll be rapping rabbit at any trendy swag and splitting atoms with or without a pickle fragment of action. Flipping acrobatic mathematics at any cat who be lacking passion faculties. Can't imagine how I'll be smacking these average smacking motherfuckers. Rapping about a salary, stab the back with a javelin, rat a tat if you battle me. Filming the cops till they kill us and jet. Wanna see us die, trying to keep the people in check. Fuck a pig, suck a dick like a record label. Better take a look at yourself and kill that ego. But if you go on and on, I'm bombing atomic on anyone that be talking about a verbal about a rocket. Better stop it, I'm popping up at the top and then modifying your body, chopping up a limit too steady, ruin entire armies. Pardon me, but I'm begging you better do better than pitiful Benedict. Arnold got me competitive, making ripples in the pond. Hey yo, the kid Jar's flow will fuck your head up. Feeling so groovy now. Definition of an asshole, I'ma reinvent it like this. So groovy now. Yo, the kid Jar's flow will fuck your head up. Feeling so groovy now. Yo. Sticking his makeup in a track, steady be jacking it back in a pack. Matter of fact, like the bulls of Ricky D, the cover the patch. Then I'm on top of the mountain, bows back and forth, attacking hordes. I'm making a fest. The bullshit rappers will map force. Hold up. Let me spell it out for these cats. I ain't trying to hear you rap about your car and your cash. We're talking that trash. You a hater, man, you jealous. I ain't jealous, I just think you're acting a bit overzealous. I never have stepped like Kane said. Giggity bump, that's effects, but I ain't never had dreads. I knows a lot of hoes getting play like dreads. Hot sex on a platter like a sharp core quest. Yo, build your skill says KRS. Bring the motherfucking ruckus and protect your neck. Got a letter from the government and ripped it to shreds. Mr. Green, kill the beat, I'm taking this contest. Go shopping, yeah. Gotta get some clothes for them hoes.